Inakyat na sa kataas-asang hukuman ng Korte Suprema ang usapin hinggil sa zero subsidy ng Philippine Health Insurance Corporation of PhilHealth sa 2025 General Appropriations Act o GAA. Martes ng umaga, personal na inhain ni Dr. Tony Liachon, isang health reform advocate, ang petition for certiorari laban kina Executive Secretary Lucas Bersamin sa Senado at sa Kamara para hamunin ang legalidad ng pagtanggal ng subsidiya para sa state insurer. Binanggit niya ang probisyon sa Republic Act No. 10351 na naglalaan ng 80% ng kita mula sa sin tax para sa universal healthcare at ang Republic Act 11223 na nag-aatas ng premium subsidy para sa mga dituwirang kontributor ng PhilHealth sa ilalim ng GAA. Sa petisyon, hiniling ni Liachon na magpalabas ng temporary restraining order ang kataas-taasang hukuman. Matatanda ang ipinagkait ng Bicameral Conference Committee ang pondo ng PhilHealth dahil sa tinatayang 600 bilyong piso na reserbang pondo nito mula sa surplus at reserve fund na hindi raw ginamit ng state insurer. Ayon pa raw kay Senate President Francis Chis Escudero, ang naturang defunding ay nagsisilbing wake-up call para gawin nila ng tama ang kanilang trabaho. Pero ayon kay Liachon, gustong parusahan ng kongreso ang mga miyembro ng PhilHealth Board pero hinayaang magsakripisyo rito ang mga mahihirap na nangangailangan ng benepisyo mula sa PhilHealth. Para kay Liachon, ang ginawa ng mga mabatas ay isang betrayal of public trust, lalo pat may mas maayos na paraan daw para matugunan ang mga kakulangan ng PhilHealth. Samantala, pinagpatuloy ngayong araw ng Korte Suprema ang oral argument o pagdinig hinggil sa kontrobersyal na paglilipat ng halos 70 bilyong pisong pondo ng PhilHealth sa National Treasury kung saan naroon ang mga representante ng mga petitioner at respondents. Pebrero 4 unang isinagawa ang oral arguments ng magkabilang panig sa harap ng mga mahistrado para talakayin kung nararapat bang ilipat o hindi ang sobrang pondo ng PhilHealth. Nauna nang sinabi ng Department of Finance na ang paglilipat ng pondo ay dumaan sa masusing pagsusuri para magamit ang mga sobra o hindi nagamit na pondo ng gobyerno mula taong 2021 hanggang 2023. Sa unang araw ng oral argument, nag-isa ng Korte Suprema sa pagdinig ang mga opisyal ng PhilHealth hinggil sa Section 11 ng Universal Healthcare Law kung saan humingi ng paliwanag ang mahistrado kung paano ito nagamit para bigyang katuwiran ng sinasaad nito na dapat ang reserbang pondo ng PhilHealth ay mailaan sa pagpapataas ng programa nito at bawasan ang pinapataw na kontribusyon sa kanyang mga miyembro. Ang Solicitor General sinabi namang wala silang masamang plano hinggil sa excess fund at ang fund transfer at kakailanganin para sa iba pang mahalagang programa ng Administrasyong Marcos Jr. Pinatatanggal din ang Solgen si Marcos Jr. bilang respondent sa petisyon dahil daw sa kanyang immunity from suit.
Good afternoon, Your Honors. This is a continuation of the oral arguments on the consolidated petitions in GR number 274778, Aquilino Pimentel III et al., petitioners, versus House of Representatives represented by the Speaker, Ferdinand Martin Romualdez et al., respondents, GR number 275405, Bayan Muna, Chairperson Nery Colmenares et al., petitioners, versus Executive Secretary Lucas P. Bersamin et al., respondents, and GR number 276233, One Sambayan Coalition et al., petitioners, versus the House of Representatives represented by the Speaker, Ferdinand Martin Romualdez et al., respondents. Thank you, Your Honor.
Good afternoon, Your Honors. Respectfully appearing for petitioners Pimentel et al., Paula Maytanking, Your Honor. Together with me is Michael Ocampo, Your Honor.
Nery Colmenares, Your Honor, for petitioner Bayan Muna Party List, Your Honor.
Good afternoon, Your Honors. Respectfully appearing as counsel for the petitioners in GR number 275405, Attorney Maria Cristina Piambot.
Good afternoon, Your Honors. Attorney Howard Calleja for Isang Bayan Coalition, UP class of 75, and Father Flavi, Your Honor.
Good afternoon, Your Honors. Attorney Joseph Peter Calleja, respectfully appearing for Senior for Seniors Association Incorporated, Kidney Foundation of the Philippines, and the San Beda Alabang Human Rights Group.
Good afternoon, Your Honors. Attorney Christopher Lau, respectfully appearing as counsel for petitioners Sambayan Coalition et al.
Good afternoon, Your Honors. Attorney Sani Matula, representing the trade union leaders, FFW, and Nagkaisa, petitioners in intervention in the Pimentel case.
Good afternoon, Your Honors. Good afternoon, our distinguished amici. Good afternoon to everyone in the session hall. I am respectfully re-entering the appearance of the Office of the Solicitor General as counsel for all the public respondents except PhilHealth, which is represented by the Office of the Government Corporate Counsel. Together with me this afternoon, our Assistant Solicitor General, George Ortha II, Assistant Solicitor General, Maria Victoria Sardillo, and State Solicitor, Rowena Mutya. We are ready for interpellation, Your Honor.
May we call on the following? Honorable Ralph Recto, Secretary of Finance, if he's around. Thank you. Honorable Teodoro Herbosa, Secretary of Health. Secretary Bienvenido Laguesma of the Department of Labor. Honorable Amina Pangandaman, Secretary of Budget and Management. Honorable Rexton T. Gatchalian, Secretary of Social Welfare and Development. PhilHealth President and CEO Edwin B. M. Mercado. Former Secretary of Finance Margarito Tebes. Mr. Obed Jose C. Solon. Ms. Aiza Nadine M. Suzara. Mr. Sani Africa. Ms. Beverly Lorraine Ho. Thank you very much. Justice Ami Javier will continue her interpellation. GCC, sorry.
Your Honors, please. Solomon Hermosura and Melissa Montesilio Acorda of the Office of the Government Corporate Counsel, respectfully appearing for Philippine Health Insurance Corporation or PhilHealth, Your Honor. We also have government corporate attorneys and members of our admin staff in the gallery who are here to provide moral and other necessary support. Thank you, Your Honors.
About over 100 representatives from the Office of the Solicitor General. There were, I think, how many buses, Lord, Mr. Solicitor General? 2 buses? Yes. Thank you. As I mentioned earlier, Justice Ami Lazaro Javier will resume her interpellation.
Yes, thank you, Chief Justice. We continue with the interpellation of Mr. Deputy Treasurer Marino. Yes, good afternoon, Mr. Deputy Treasurer Marino.
Good afternoon.
Yes. You mentioned during the first oral argument that politics is a factor, or political factors. You consider political factors in fixing the amount of the reserve funds.
I do not recall, Your Honor.
All right. I do recall.
I do not
You
recall,
said
Your
that.
Honor.
All right. So next session, if we will have another session, I will have to show you the TSN on that. And my response to you then was, I don't know about politics. But now I would like to hear an explanation from you. When you mentioned that political factors were being considered by PhilHealth whenever it fixes the amount of the reserve funds. So I would like to ask the Chief Justice that for the next oral argument, I will be allowed to ask that question to you again. During the last oral argument, you also mentioned that PhilHealth recorded an average turnaround time of 29 days in paying reimbursement claims. Is that right?
Your Honor, if I remember correctly, it was 23 days based on these
All right,
statements.
even shorter.
Yeah.
23 days. All right. And this is the average, correct?
Based on
So-
Yes, Your Honor.
What was the longest period it took PhilHealth to pay hospitals and doctors?
Your Honor, may I ask one of our colleagues from the PhilHealth management? They would have the information there.
All right. If you don't have the information now, the court requires you to submit to the court the information within 10 days from today.
Yes, Your Honor.
So, what do you mean by turnaround time?
Again, if I may secure assistance from our PhilHealth management colleagues on the specific definition, Your Honor. But if I may be given...
Would you like to invite your colleague to
Yes.
respond to the question?
Yes.
Yes. Who is that colleague of yours?